Hello, good morning. Welcome back to you guys. This is uh Diamond Rose, and I'm back with another job this morning. And this company is called Ryder System, and the job role will be call center representative one, remote part-time, and it's based out in Albany, Ohio, New Albany, Ohio 43054. It's a remote position. The starting pay is $17 to $18 per hour, and it's a part-time job position. Yes, you guys, part-time job position. The benefits of this job is 401k matching, and health insurance. Current employees, full job description is here. If you are a current employee at Ryder, not a contract or temporary employee through a staffing agency, please click here and here to log into the Workday to apply using the internal application process. To learn how to apply for a position using the career worklet, please review this quick reference guide. And here you go. You are the driving force behind our company. Start your career with Ryder today. Move your career forward with Ryder. Be a vital part of one of the largest and most recognizable names in logistics, transportation, maintenance, and supply chain services in the world. Summary: the call center representative will deliver outstanding customer service to our customers on the Ryder last mile team. This role this role will be the point of contact for customers regarding product delivery. The call center representative will facilitate scheduling, issue resolution, and provide outstanding customer service on the Ryder last mile team. Scheduling is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., 25 hours per week, part-time remote. Compensation, the hourly rate for this position ranges from $17 to $18 per hour. The essential functions is answer inbound phone inquiries from customers and clients regarding deliveries, collaborate with internal Ryder partners for answers to customer inquiries, following up with customers to ensure satisfaction and resolution of any delivery issues, update order information within the Ryder last mile order management system, results driven for all customer service key performance indicators, KPIs, and compliance metrics, and performs other duties as assigned. Skills and abilities. Display communication skills with a courteous and positive attitude via phone and email to customers and clients. Use good judgment with decisions made in regards to customers and the Ryder team. Agile and adaptable to work independently and as a member of a team in a fast-paced environment. Display organization skills and excellent follow-up practices. Display character and integrity as a representative of Ryder to customers and with internal professional relationships. Qualifications will be high school diploma, GED required, 3 years or more in customer service with issue resolution required. Travel, no. DOT regulated, no. In addition to a comprehensive benefit package, a 401k savings plan with a company match, discounted stock purchase options, performance-based annual cost of living increases, and we are proud to offer comprehensive training and the ability to continue your professional development. Regional and local Ryder resources to help guide and support as we grow this offering. The stability and peace of mind that comes with working for a world-class Fortune 500 organization that has been in business for over 85 years with over 4,000 employees worldwide. We are seeking the best and most promising candidates to provide creativity, agility, and superior customer service that will exceed our customers' expectations. The ability to embrace and utilize technology as part of your daily routine is crucial. In addition, you are the management and professional representative of the Ryder organization. If you possess a strong work ethic and a burning desire to succeed and grow your career, and your work experience and or education aligns with the requirements and responsibilities listed below, please apply now. Job category is customer service. and Ryder is proud to be an equal opportunity employer and drug-free workplace. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regards of race, religion, color, national origin, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, age, status as a protected veteran, among other things, or status as an individual, qualified individual with disability. And they just posted this today. And the name of the company, once again, is Ryder System. And you will be a call center representative, one remote part-time job position. And the starting pay will be $17 to $18 per hour. It's a part-time job position based out in Ohio, New Albany, and this is a 100% remote position. Now, the next job that we are going to sweep across is the virtual escape game host. This is for all the gamers that want to do this for part-timing. So, Escapely is the name of the company, and the job role for this job will be a virtual escape game host from $15 an hour as part-time position. Virtual game masters will run online escape rooms for teams of 5 to 10 people. The right candidate will have a friendly, outgoing personality and will love games. Instructions to apply below. Requirements: quiet workspace, fast internet connection, type internet, speed test into Google to run a test, and a computer with at least 4 to 8 gigabytes of memory. How online escape rooms works: players work together on Zoom to solve puzzles for codes. Each time they figure out a code, they will give it to the game master, you. And if it's correct, the game master advances to the next puzzle. The goal is is to be the first team to finish. It's so fun. So if you're a college student, or if you're just a person that loves gaming in general, I'm going to do a brief, speech about, or a brief description about this job, because I usually don't do this. So having jobs about gamers, but I'll put it in there once every now and then, maybe so often. But it's rarely going to be on my channel, gamers jobs. But this is just one I just wanted to briefly touch bases on. $15 an hour part-time. If you're a college student, or if you just love the games in general, it just got posted today. They're hiring for 10 candidates of this role. Okay, moving forward. Now, this job I'm going to briefly talk about, once again, this is another job. This is the third job. It's from Drizly. The company's name is called Drizly, and the pay is $20 per hour. It's a full-time job position. And the job role for this job in this company is Customer Experience Specialist. It's a remote position. It's based out in Massachusetts. Boston, Massachusetts, a remote position. Now, they have a lot of great benefits for this job, you guys. It's 401k matching, dental, life insurance, vision insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, employee assistance program, parental leave, and sabbatical, and tuition reimbursement. Now, the full job description, I'm going to go through it briefly with you guys. Drizly is the world's largest alcohol marketplace and the best way to shop beer, wines, and spirits. Our customers trust us to be part of their lives, their celebrations, parties, dinners, and quiet nights at home. We are there when it matters, committed to lives, moments, and the people who create them. We partner with the best retail stores in over 1,650 cities across North America to serve up the best buying experience. So there you have it for this job. The role, what the role is. This is an integral 40 hours a week. Some additional hours may be required. Position at Drizly that requires weekends and weekdays and weekends and evenings. Some holiday weekends and evening work will be required. You must reside in the United States to be considered for this position. In this role, you will assist customers, retail partners, and regional managers via phone and email with ordering and account inquiries. Quickly address, solve, and track all customer support requests using Zendesk. Solve problems and address unsatisfactory experiences. Change course as priorities shift in real time with new inbound issues arriving. And these are the other stuff that you can get from this job, which the other benefits of this job. I brought up health, dental, and vision insurance. It's a competitive hourly compensation, flexible vacation policy, one-on-one professional coaching with an external expert, quarterly stipend to support wellness and lifestyle sabbatical after 5 years, and 16 weeks of parental leave, mental health benefits, 12 free therapy sessions annually, employee assistance program and crisis management support, short-term and long-term disability insurance, employee paid and voluntary life insurance, added perks, and various learning and developmental opportunities as well. And it's an equal opportunity employer, Drizly, this company, and the hourly rate for Colorado is base rolls. The for this base roll for Colorado's, I don't know how to say Coloridians. If you you can help me the way how they call like Floridians and all those South Carolinian, let me know what they call you guys from Colorado. Okay, it's $20 an hourly rate for people who live in Colorado residents, and they have various benefits as well for this job position for you guys' state, and you must reside in the United States to be considered for this position. And it's posted this today, and the company name is Drizly, and the job role will be customer service specialist. It's remote. $20 an hour is full-time job position. And that'll be all for this video, you guys. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hit the turn the notification bell on, and let me know what's going on with you. Let me see if you land your dream job. Let me know, and I'll see you guys in another video. Get a piece of that work pie. Don't ever give up. Keep going. Let's go.